Do you want to have a smoother, blemish-free, and younger-looking skin? Try totally reformulated New Placenta by Samstre. Para kutis bagets, pang-international. Likas sa mga Pilipino ang pagiging vain sa katawan, mapababae man o mapalalaki. Kaya naman sa kagustuhang magkaroon ng makinis at maputing balat, kung ano-anong beauty regimen na ang sinusubukan. Dahil dito, isang German doctor ang masusing nanaliksik sa kung anong sabon ang maaring makatulong sa mga kababayan nating gustong pumuti at mapanatiling bata ang balat.
iPlacenta soap is the special whitening and anti-aging soap in the Philippines due to its choice of ingredients, because we have some special ingredients which are all natural, by the way, all natural, because when formulating I insist on natural ingredients such as papaya. We have the facial care and body care, that is day cream, night cream, and of course before you start applying one of those, you will use the toner and the body lotion.
New Placenta is truly effective for skin care. Ito ay may pinaghalong sangkap ng papaya extract, virgin coconut oil, vitamin E, goat's milk, aloe and botanical placenta extracts na mahusay na antioxidant, exfoliant, antibacterial, sun protection, and moisturizer.
Dear friends, I would like to invite you to use our products. The products that I developed, that I researched, that I developed, because I can promise you they are going to work.
This portion was brought to you by Samstre, the makers of New Placenta. Do you want to have a smoother, blemish-free, and younger-looking skin? Try totally reformulated New Placenta by Samstre. Para kutis bagets, pang-international. The aging is a natural process, nobody can prevent it. And as the skin ages, it loses elasticity and firmness. The skin becomes rough and dry. In advanced stage of aging, fine lines and wrinkles appear not only on the face, but also on the neck, throat, and hand. Kapag nakikita na natin ang ganitong palatandaan, para bang nawawala na tayo ng pag-asa at mas naiisip natin na totoo ngang tumatanda na tayo. Pero alam nyo ba na hindi dapat malungkot dahil isang German doctor ang masusing nanaliksik kung paano masusolusyonan ang maagang pagtanda ng balat kahit na nga nagkakaedad na.
iPlacenta soap is the special whitening and anti-aging soap in the Philippines due to its choice of ingredients, because we have some special ingredients which are all natural, by the way, all natural, because when formulating I insist on natural ingredients such as papaya. Papaya extract, if used correctly, is an extremely interesting compound. Originally, I was not really convinced, but I can see, and I have seen over the past 5 years and more, that this soap does have an enormous effect, and exactly the effect that I wanted it to have.
New Placenta by Samstre is made up of active fruit and plant extracts which are highly effective for skin whitening and anti-aging. At sa loob ng halos 8 taong pamamayagpag nito sa ating bansa, abot kamay na rin ito ng ating mga kababayang nasa abroad.
Ang maganda sa New Placenta, mula nung nag-start kami, kumalat ito at inabot niya ang mga Filipinos abroad. We have in Hong Kong, napakarami po sa Hong Kong, especially sa worldwide. Worldwide, ito yung center ng mga Pinoy stores na nagtitinda ng mga produktong gawang Pinoy. At dito rin yung mga tambayan ng mga Filipinos in Hong Kong. Marami rin sa Singapore, sa Guam, sa Hawaii, sa Saipan. At 3 weeks ago, nasa Saudi Arabia ako, nakita ko na ang daming produkto ng New Placenta sa Middle East.
Kaya naman bilang pasasalamat sa lahat ng tumatangkilik,
sa New Placenta brand, ang plano namin dito is i-develop pa maigi yung pag-aralan pa maigi kung ano pa yung pwede pa namin i-alok sa market na kung saan din masatisfy sila sa mga produkto namin. Kasi alam naman ninyo ang target market ng New Placenta, anti-aging yan eh. So the best for 24 years old above. Kaya kinukompleto namin yung line. We have now the soap, cream, lotion, toner, at mayroon kami mga lalabas na mga shampoo at conditioner, saka yung liquid soap.
This portion was brought to you by Samstre, the makers of New Placenta. Do you want to have a smoother, blemish-free, and younger-looking skin? Try totally reformulated New Placenta by Samstre. Para kutis bagets, pang-international.
Want to have all the confidence you need in your business world? Listen up and get some tips from us. Single mom. Iyan si Miss Yen Yashimoto, isang customer care officer sa isang kilalang beauty products sa Manila.
As a customer care officer, especially customer care officer, umaharap ka sa mga tao, kailangan, of course, the personality. Kailangan smart ka, maganda yung skin mo, beauty products yun eh.
But it wasn't easy for her at first as she experienced having rushes all over her body. How did she handle it?
Siyempre, nawawalan ka ng self-confidence pag ganun eh. Hindi ka makaharap ng maayos sa mga tao. Paano mo i-introduce yung isang beauty products na nakikita naman nila na may depekto ka, di ba?
Her confidence was getting lower until her mom introduced to her New Placenta products. Is it effective? Let's hear it from her.
Actually, my mom, kasi siya ang gumagamit talaga. Sabi niya sa akin, anak, why don't you try yung New Placenta by Samstre? Effective talaga yun. Aside from skin whitening kasi, anti-aging din siya. Bale, ang New Placenta products, complete na yan. Aside from the soap, meron din siyang toner and at the same time may lotion din. And meron din siyang night cream and day cream. So, kung maghahanap ka rin lang ng beauty products, effective talaga New Placenta kasi complete set na siya.
Undoubtedly, New Placenta helps Miss Yen a lot. Now she has the confidence that she needs. No need to feel intimidated. Just a beautiful glowing skin. Dahil sa New Placenta, kutis bagets pang-international.
Do you want to have a smoother, blemish-free, and younger-looking skin? Try totally reformulated New Placenta by Samstre. Para kutis bagets, pang-international.
Watch Generation RX, your health and travel show at Studio 23, Kabarkada mo.
It's hard to avoid skin problems nowadays dahil sa sobrang pollution at init. At para kay Mark, isa itong burden considering na ang pagiging good-looking ay isa sa puhunan niya sa kanyang trabaho.
Ako po ay isang business development officer. Magawa po ng strategies, namin target market po namin, iba-ibang area. Nagtitraining po ako ng mga tao.
Dahil laging on the go si Mark, mas naging mahirap iwasan ang skin problems. And it caused trouble not just with his confidence, but to his profession as well.
So, ang problema ko lang, syempre, nagkakaroon po ko ng pimples. Minsan yung work ko, minsan palagi ako nasa labas eh. So, syempre, alikabok, matama sa mukha ko yung didikit sa mukha ko. So, nangyayari, mabilis po ako magkaroon ng pimples. Kasi na-meet ko si Sir Jaime, no? Siya yung may-ari ng company. So, one time, binigyan niya ako ng sabon. So, ginamit ko yun. Naging ano naman, no? Naging useful siya sa akin everyday. So, nangyari, kuminis yung balat ko, nawala yung pimples ko.
Wow! Mukhang natulungan ng new placenta si Mark. As what they say, every problem has a solution. And for Mark, new placenta is a solid proof.
Do you want to have a smoother, blemish-free, and younger-looking skin? Try totally reformulated New Placenta by Samstre. Para kutis bagets, pang-international.
Watch Generation RX, your health and travel show at Studio 23, Kabarkada mo.
Kasi 'di ba ang image kasi ng new placenta, gamit ito ng mga beauty queen. So pag gusto mong sumali ng pageant, kailangan gumamit ka muna ng skin whitening product, lalo na itong new placenta. Malalaman niyo yan sa kanilang mga personal testimonies.
Well, my secret in having beautiful skin is to follow the basic 3-step like what I said a while ago. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize. And I do drink lots of water. It's the very best thing to do to keep yourself beautiful. Okay,
I always moisturize. It's very important. I moisturize after showering, especially while your skin is still moist and you seal in the moisture. So I moisturize every day. I also drink a lot of water, 8 glasses a day, and if you're very active, then drink some more. So, I have in the past, although we don't have it in Canada. I do have it brought in when my family comes back from the Philippines. And so, yeah, I especially enjoy the lotion.
Yes, I want everyone to at least try the placenta products, for it would help your skin, and also sleep a lot and drink lots of water. That's all.
You want to have a smoother, blemish-free, and younger-looking skin? Try totally reformulated New Placenta by Samstre. Para kutis bagets, pang-international.
Watch Generation RX, your health and travel show at Studio 23, Kabarkada mo.
Hindi naman sabi na, one thing nice also with you, Melanie, sabi, ano mo gamit mo sa pagkaskipin? Of course, I only use placenta. And I will always stick with that, even with my cream, with my lotions. I love the lotions. I love the soup. My children loves the soup, the white one. So, bakit pa ako bibili kung meron naman akong product na ginagamit? So anyway, maraming salamat po. You are all our friends. And I'm just so happy to see the same old faces, same friends, same supporters, and you are all very loyal. It only shows po na talaga po tayo po ay magkakasama habang may buhay.
Thank you, Ms. Melanie.
Do you want to have a smoother, blemish-free, and younger-looking skin? Try totally reformulated New Placenta by Samstre. Para kutis bagets, pang-international.